Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious salsa. This salsa is especially for tacos. I know that you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have garlic cloves, salt, oregano, tomatoes, jalapenos in their juices with carrots, and just filtered water. This is everything we need to make this delicious salsa for crispy tacos. So let's get started. I have here my tomatoes, and we're going to go ahead and rinse them out. We want to make sure that we rinse them completely, one by one, making sure that we get them nice and cleaned. Put them in running water. They are completely clean. Now, let's start adding them to the saucepan. I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to add my 2 garlic cloves, and I am going to add the filtered water. We want to just add enough to cover them. So let's take them to the stove and start cooking our tomatoes. We're going to cook them until they are nice and soft. It will take approximately about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they start, opening from the sides, that means that they are done. Right now, I am ready to start adding them to my blender. Please make sure that you do not get burned, okay? We're gonna go ahead, add our 4 tomatoes, add our 2 garlic cloves, and add just a little bit of water so that they could blend really nicely. Okay, everything is in here, and let's go ahead and blend it. Okay, everything is nice and incorporated, and let's start adding it to this plate. We're gonna go ahead and add everything in here. I'm gonna add the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm going to go ahead and just mix it in really nice so everything is nice and incorporated, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add my oregano. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, and I'm gonna put them in between my hands, and I'm just gonna rub my hands so that all that flavor stays in the salsa. When you do it this way, the oregano, it gets so tiny that it releases all the flavor onto the salsa. I'm gonna taste it to see if we need a little more salt. To my tasting, this is fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spoon in the jalapenos and the carrots. Remember, if you don't like spicy food, just leave out some jalapeno, but the carrots are really good in this salsa. Remember to add a little bit of that juice so that the salsa will last about 5 days in your refrigerator. Let me taste it one more time. This is perfection. This is done. Let me show you from close up how the salsa looks. It's really nice and thick. Look at this. It's really nice and thick, and I added so much jalapenos and carrots, and their juices. This is just really good, and it's perfect for this kind of tacos. When you make crispy potato tacos, this is the perfect salsa for them. Anything that is crispy, this is the salsa. So let me show you the presentation. Done with this salsa. This salsa is great with crispy potato tacos, any kind of crispy tacos. This is perfect. Even a tostada, a nice and crispy tostada tortilla, and you could add just lettuce and a little pieces of chicken. And this salsa is the salsa that we use especially for that, for fried tacos and fried tostadas. And of course, you know me, you know that I need to taste this delicious salsa. If it's too spicy for you, just add less jalapenos. Let me see how this came out, okay? You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You know something? It's not spicy at all. It has a little kick to it, but it's not spicy. I can't take it. I need to have one more. Excuse me. The oregano gave it such a delicious flavor. This is just perfect, like I said, with fried tacos, with a crispy tortilla. This is just perfection. Even if you just get a crispy tortilla and you add some fresh cheese on the top and then you add the salsa, perfect. That's everything you need. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end, for playing my video. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up. Yes, give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, it's going to be activated. And every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious salsa for tacos. Bye-bye.